The oldest of three lighthouses that stand along a beautiful stretch of Florida's forgotten coast is also a pivotal landmark of stunning St. George Island. The Cape St. George Lighthouse towers over white sand beaches. Completed in 1852, the 77-foot tower originally stood on today's Little St. George Island, where it replaced a lighthouse that was flattened by the Great Hurricane of 1851. That storm also leveled the nearby lighthouses on Dog Island and Cape San Blas. The light was darkened during the Civil War when Confederate troops removed the lens to prevent Union blockade ships from using the beacon. U.S. sailors still visited the tower from time to time, looking across the bay at Apalachicola. The lighthouse resumed operations in August 1865 and was operated by keepers and their families until it was automated by the U.S. Coast Guard in 1949. A series of hurricanes and storms caused erosion that threatened the tower beginning in the 1990s. Tremendous efforts were made to save it, but the Cape St. George Lighthouse collapsed on October 21, 2005. The St. George Lighthouse Association worked with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection to salvage the fallen pieces. In 2008, the lighthouse was rebuilt at its present site on St. George Island. Along with an adjacent museum and a gift shop housed in a replica of the original keeper's cottage, the Cape St. George Lighthouse is open to the public. It offers spectacular views of St. George Island and the surrounding waters. To learn more, visit stgeorgelight.org. And to find out about other great places to explore, check out our website at 2eggtv.com. On St. George Island, I'm Rachel Cox for 2egg TV.